Alright guys, same 4runner that had the Flowmaster, the supercharged 3.4 V6 Toyota motor down here at Chaos. So we took that Magnaflow, or the Flowmaster 40 off, and we put the 2.5-inch Magnaflow muffler in. Same straight pipe from Catback, but just the Magnaflow 2.5-inch in and out. Definitely much different sound there. A little more tame, just a different tone in general, but still sounds pretty dang good. 3.4 V6, 2.5-inch straight pipe after the Cat, Magnaflow.